Yeah, man, this tune, you know. I do this tune, you know, for all the ladies and all the people out there. Never all the ladies. For all the people them out there, we do the cook, we have them cook shop. All you them and the people them, we do them cook shop out the road. See me I say? Me say me nah go in a for your dumpling shop, girl, nah go in a for your. I and I nah go in a for your dumpling shop. Dumpling shop, dumpling shop, your dumpling shop too big and hot. Your dumpling shop too big and hot. Love the dumpling way tight and fat. Love the dumpling way tight and. Me a go employ Paulette in a me cook shop. Employ Suzette in a me cook shop. Put on your apron and you cook hot one. You dash out the red peas and the coconut. Sweep out the shop before you put on the pot. People out the door want come in at the shop. Chef cook sweet, so me have to come back. Write up your chart and tell me where you got. Give me beef chicken, me no want no pork chop. This a cook shop, ya eat hotter than. Me say me nah go in a for your dumpling shop, girl, nah go in a for your. I and I nah go in a for your dumpling shop. Dumpling shop, dumpling shop, your dumpling shop too big and hot. Your dumpling shop too big and hot. Love the dumpling way tight and fat. Love the dumpling, yeah. Put on your apron and you cook hot. Dash out the red peas and the coconut. Sweep out the shop before you put on the pot. People out the door want come in at the shop. Chef cook sweet, so me have to come back. Write up your chart and tell me where you got. Give me beef chicken, me no want no pork chop. Nothing under nice like a clean cook. Me say me nah go in a for your dumpling shop, girl. I and I nah go in a for your dumpling shop. Dumpling shop. Clean down the stove and wash out the pot. Nothing under nice like a clean cook shop. Blend me the juice, give me carrot. Turn on the AC, give me comfort. Chef cook sweet, so me have to come back. Write up your chart and tell me where you got. Give me beef chicken, me no want no pork. Say me nah go in for your dumpling shop, girl. I and I.
I'm a man.
Ping, 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 ping.
Hey, big up our man in the place. Me leave the judges them to answer to this. Let me start with Lady Tash.
Hammer man. I swear I was going to use the hammer for lockdown. Excuse my voice, but I swear I was going to use the hammer to lick down the dumpling shop. You understand me? But now you go right down to the coconut, you know, so the rice and peas, they're well sweet. The bun down to the bottom. Hammer man, I love you. Make you eat.
You must love him. I'm a man. Our general.
Yeah, you don't know. Big up yourself. You don't know entertaining and thing. You see me, Adi? But me personally, like last most of my time, you see me? Dumpling shop, then we reach to the food and you see me, rice and peas and you know, and the dumpling tight and you see me? So me is a man, a 3 months ago, you see me? You overs.
I'm a man.
Counselor Edward.
I'm a man. I know at times you were never singing about the dumpling. You know, but we know what the something is. But it was entertaining, you know. And I give you a 7.
Oh, you're so Jamaican. You're the fun thing about that happens and exists in Jamaica still. I'll give you a 5. I know you have more to offer us in the future, but it was fun. I liked it. I liked it a lot. All right?
Yeah, I feel like it.
It's a 4 for me because I think the song is confusing. You know, I don't know, like the whole food thing mix up with.
Yeah, I'm a man. You have to be careful, you know. You know what I mean? But as I was saying, you don't know, we're having fun right here. Yeah. Hey, big up yourself, I'm a man. How you mean? Hopefully
We understand it's all about the gimmicks and having fun and that kind of stuff. And the reality is, Calypso, there's a transition from Calypso and that kind of stuff. So we understand where you're coming from, Hammer. Don't worry yourself.
All right, I'm a man. Big up yourself. Hopefully we'll see you in the next round.